Hi, my name is David Campbell, and today I'm going to demonstrate Packet Tracer Activity 5.3.4.4, performing initial router configuration. Our objective: to configure the router's hostname, configure the password, configure banner messages, and verify the router configuration. So our first step is we're going to log into the customer PC, go to Desktop, go to Terminal, we're going to click OK. I'm going to leave these settings right here, maximize this. Okay, now we're at the router. So our first step is we're going to configure the router's hostname. So we're going to type enable or en and configure terminal or conf. So we're going to configure t. That's configure terminal. And now we're going to set the hostname as hostname customer ROU. All right, now we're going to go step 2. We're going to configure the privilege mode and secret password. So we're going to go into the global configuration mode, and we're going to set the password to Cisco. So we're going to type in, which we're already in the global configuration mode, so we'll just type enable password or enable password Cisco. And it looks like I was not able to do that, so let's see. I was trying to use the tab key to make sure I can get all the way up, but it's okay. And I just need to learn how to spell. And we're going to enable password to Cisco. We're just going to keep that lowercase. And we've just enabled the password to Cisco. And now we're going to set an encrypted privilege password to Cisco123 by using the secret command. So we'll enable, I need to learn to type with it, secret, Cisco123. Okay, now let's make sure this is going to work. So our step 3, in the global command mode, we'll switch to the line configuration mode to specify the console line. So we're still in the global, or yeah, we're in the global configuration mode. So we'll just go to line console 0. And I keep on doing that, thinking I'm typing something else. Line. I always do this. Line. Secret, or console. Cisco 123. Let's just go all the way back there and see what we can do. Line console. Oh, I see what I did. I did a 0. I was just typing in the password right there. Okay, on console 0. Now we're going to set the password. See, it's says configure line, and the line will be Cisco 123. Okay, just making sure that it's working right, and we just got a little issue right here. I do not know why, so I'm going to double check. We're in the global configuration mode. Cisco, CISCO. And I see what I was doing wrong. We got to actually specify what the password is going to be. So password 123, login, no exit, and we have just set the password to Cisco 123. So we configure the console password. Now we're going to configure the VTY password to allow Telnet access to the router. So what we're going to do is once we're at the executive mode, which we are, we're going to type in line VTY 0 space 4, and then once we get there, we're going to type in password 123, login, enter, and then we're going to exit. Okay, after this, we're going to set up configure the password encryption, and we're going to create a MOTD banner and turn off domain server lookup. This will be very simple. So at the executive line, we're going to type in service password encryption. Just noticed I might have just spelled that. That's what I get from not really looking at what I'm typing. And I see we have password. There we go. And now we can now use the show run config command to verify the passwords are encrypted. So let us just check that out. So once we're at the config, we're going to hit banner, MOTD, which I was talking about. No. Money sign. Oops. Show run. Oops. Banner. MOTD. AUTHORIZ. Access. Only. Now let's just make sure this works. We're going to hit exit. Exit again. We're going to hit enter. As you can see, authorized access only. User access verification. We're going to type in the secret password. Nope. And if I just did it right, I would have had no domain lookup, which it's looking up for the Cisco right here. So just give me a moment. And I shouldn't find anything, but it's going to take just a moment for this to go. There we go. Could not find anything. Now let's do the no IP domain lookup. So we're just going to go into the config, terminal, so what we'll have to do is just go config, or I know what I'm doing wrong, enable, there we go. Type in our password again, and there we go. I was just not in the right mode right there, right privilege, so no IP domain dash lookup. And we're just about getting it done, and we're just going to end. We're going to hit copy, start. Alright, let's just check our results. Our feedback is completed, and we have completed this packet tracer activity. Thank you and have a great day.